Apparently, cylinder 4 has left the chat. I need this no more. Oh, pitter patter, let's get at her. They sent me another used motor. Didn't even come with a front valve cover. It'd be fine. Hope y'all fuckers have a great Friday. Or don't. I really don't give a shit. Thank you, bye.
Just a little blow-by test here. Got a 2020 high-output Cummins, came in with a misfire on cylinder 3. The rocker arm was fucked up. This is the original startup here without installing the new rocker arms and rods. I went ahead and replaced them all, and this is the end result.